Peekaboo.
Peekaboo the baby. Ay. Hi. Where's Kuya Chick? Kuya Chick. Up. Don't go far. What? Your play ball. Good job. Oh, where are you going? No. Come here. I want the stroller.
You want to, use it?
Get his water, Dad, ha? It's on his table. And his stroller. Cute. Are you going to ride your stroller or the baby will ride?
Right?
Right. You're going to ride?
Right?
You are the baby.
Right?
You are the baby.
Right?
Walking, 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 walking. Up, up, up. Up, up. Yes, baby.
Apple.
You wanna push? Wanna push? Okay, be careful. Be careful.
Ayun. Ayun yung dalawang
Nagpakarga na.
Karga boys.
Hindi pa man nakakalayo.
Karga boys.
What color?
Yellow.
Very good na. This one.
Purple.
This one.
Green.
Very good green. This one.
Green.
This one.
Purple.
Purple. Very good. This one.
Pink.
Pink. Very good. How about this?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Very good na.
Again.
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. 3.
Lito. Love down.
Ang galing talaga ng baby ni mama. 3. 3. Ay, Diyos ko po. Diyos ko po. Diyos ko po. Anak. Not like that. Si 3 kasi ginising siya ni 4. Yung daddy kasi nila, inakit si 4 habang tulog si 3. So, etong malikot na maliit. Nagising niya tong kuya niya. May mga bagong dating tayong parcels. Yes. Are you okay after Dede? Oh, very good. You burp. Good job. Good job. You're so cranky. You're okay now? You're in a good mood now after you Dede? Yes. Over the mountain. 2 months pa rin yung onesie niya. Pero 4 months na siya.